Hey guys, welcome back to Meadows Minecraft Mayhem. Today is going to be a little bit different because I just wanted to say thank you for my subscribers. Because I only started this YouTube channel a few days ago. I've already got a few subscribers, which I'm really surprised and pleased about. So thank you anyone if you have even just liked or viewed it. If you can subscribe, please do. And I just wanted to do a quick recap of what we have done, so that if you want to go and see that, you can. First of all, the first video I made, our simple, easy little house, or like I call it, our little hut. So let's just recap. If you would like to watch this video, you can. This is a little sneak peek. And yeah, and then also our farm that we did. Look at this beautiful farm. We've already got some beetroots growing. That is great. There we go. And then our magic sheep. If you want to watch any of those videos, please do right after you've watched this one. Now, I wanted to set off some fireworks to celebrate, and I will show you guys how to do that if you wanted to. So go into your inventory, and go to items and get fireworks. You can choose any fireworks you like blue, purple, white, grey, green. I'm going to get one green, some blues, some oranges, some magentas, some. Let's go with one of my logo colour. Where is it? Let's get my logo colour. Oh, here we go, purple. Do you have a pink in there? Let's get a pink too, because I mean it's nice. So here we go. And then once you've got these, you put them in your hand and tap down on the ground, and they should explode into the air and make it really beautiful explosion. You can tap down on the same place at once to make a really big explosion, or you could do different colours at the same time. So for me, I'm going to have one like that, one like that. Pink and purple explosion. My colours. Purple and pink. Let's do some in the sheep's pen to be happy about this sheep. The sheep gets some, and the farm gets a few. Colours, beautiful, beautiful colours. Green and blue, and then after all, our house needs to get a bit of the credit. So let's go. Yeah, colours. Right, thank you guys if you have liked or subscribed. Thank you. And please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.